Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can get your Quotex affiliate link. So let's get started. Now first off, if you don't have a Quotex account already, you can use my link from the description below to create your Quotex account and that way possibly save up on some trading fees. Now if you want to get or find your own affiliate link, you would just first need to create an account with the Quotex Affiliate Center. So for this, just type in Quotex Affiliate Program in your search bar and click on the first link, which should be quotexpartner.com. Now once you're here, just click try now, and here you will just need to input your email and your password which you want to be connected with your Quotex affiliate account. So because I already have an account, I will click sign in right here and input my info here. Now once I inputted my info, I will just click sign in. So now this is your Quotex affiliate dashboard, and from here, to get your shareable link, you would just need to tap on links right here. Now once you're on the links page, here you would be able to see all of the links that were pre-generated for you to share. Now under the type, you can see the type of the link or the destination of the link, but if none of these work for you, you can always create a new link by clicking on new link in the upper right corner. So to create a new link, you would first need to select the destination, so you can leave it on the main page or any of these alternative destinations. So I will just leave it on the default one, and under the affiliate program, you can actually select the nature of the affiliate program. So it can either be revenue sharing or turnover sharing. So I will again just leave it on the revenue sharing. Now to create your link, all you would just need to do is click on save. And here is that new link that we just created. Now you can just copy it and share it wherever you want. So that's guys how you can get your Quotex affiliate link. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.